Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In the previous episode, what we did was looking at the vario ratios for our complex lattice. And today what we're going to be doing is reviewing those ratio pores and seeing which one's going to be the best ratio for our actual complex lattice. And then the other part, what we're going to do is also look at the negative molds. So I got my vario molds and I got 4 different test molds with different ratios of vario 15 and 40. The first one as a baseline, I just used vario 15. The second mold was a 50-50 ratio of vario 15 and vario 40. And then the third mold was a 75% ratio of vario 40 with the 25% being the vario 15. And then the last mold was vario 40 to straight. And this just gives me an indication of what the best ratio I need to use for this mold. I also just put a big order in for some silicone rubber to make this negative mold for the complex shell. What I did is I actually purchased some silicone that has a short A hardness of approximately 60, which means I have a nice stiff mold to use. And then I also bought some clay, which is also sulfur free. The reason why I get sulfur free clay for these molds is so that it doesn't actually affect the silicone properties. So what we're going to do now is have a look at those vario molds just to get a bit of indication of them and review them. So here you can see I've got 4 testings of vario. The first one with the blue being just vario 15. The pink one over that you can see over here, that was vario 15 and 40. That was a 50-50% ratio. The third one being vario 15 and 40 with 25% being vario 15 and 75% being vario 40. And then the last one that I did in the white color, and this has no pigment dye in it, is just vario 40. I really do like actually just the vario 40 with no pigment in it, and I think that's what I'm actually going to do. As the shell will be made out of carbon fiber, I think that translucent vario color is going to look really nice with the helmet. What we're doing now is we're going to head off to my dad's factory, and what we're going to be doing is putting together a box. This is just for the cores, so when we make our mold we can actually put it in to contain everything.